Due to its high economic benefits, more and more customers are using high-speed and efficient turning and milling CNC lathes. So what kind of CNC lathes can make customers willing to choose or even repeat purchase? Today, let's look at Hoston turning and milling CNC lathe model CK52MY together. The C-axis of CNC turning and milling machining center is a spindle with an indexing function that can achieve 360-degree angle rotation control. Our C-axis positioning accuracy can reach 0.002 degree. You can see that the terrain of this machine is equipped with 390-degree end face power heads, 30-degree outer so-called power heads, as well as outer diameter turning tool holders, boring tool holders, and exacto. The XYZ axis travel is 250, 50, 400 mm, and the X-axis and the Z-axis adopt high rigidity linear rails. The optimized span between the rails has the advantage of low resistance, low rigidity, and high precision. Meanwhile, the displacement speed could reach up to 24 meters per minute. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc.